So that is the reason we are focusing on strengthening the college. In last 2 years, we have been able to start a lot of specialty departments here. 9 specialty, super specialty have been started. We have also started the work of dedicated mother and child uh, unit here, about say 200 bedded. Then we also have started the work of critical care block, non-communicable disease block. Uh, Very soon we will have a dedicated academic building because now we are going for increase of MBBS seat this year by 100 and PG courses about 83 seats will be added. So we'll be going for infrastructure addition to the campus. State Board is also thinking to expand the area of the college by incorporating the adjacent parcels of land. So I'm sure that with the growing demand and expectations of the uh, citizens of Tripura, not only Tripura, but we see that a lot of people from Lower Assam, Bangladesh also come to Tripura. And one of the speakers mentioned about, say, uh, establishing health hub in Tripura. Why not? But if you see that in last 4 years, our MBBS seats have increased from 225 to 550. Our PG seats have increased from 85 to 196. We have now today about 28 medical and paramedical colleges institutes in the state of only 40 lakh. And that's why we have established Tripura University of Health Sciences. The bill has been passed, it has been notified. Now the process of appointment of vice chancellor is going on, so that we can have a proper management of medical and paramedical education in the state. And we are also promoting private sector, uh, Shija Hospitals, GNRC.
To deliver the welcome message.
Congratulations to the editorial team and everyone involved in bringing this publication to life.
Only light can do that. The ceremonial lighting of the lamp.
So I was just hearing Dr. Y.K. Chawla sir, and he has given a suggestion to set a faculty. So this will be done in the near future. So as this program is being organized in the auditorium of AGMC, a thought came to my mind that now it has been about 20 years that this medical college has been set up. And now there is a time that we should have
श्वेतपद्मा पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्या.
Improve or celebrate it. I will start with the story. In 1950, near at the time of our independence, the time the science was almost 50.
in AIMS Delhi or in PGI Chandigarh or PGI Lucknow, CMC Vellore, then we all are aware, and these are the institutions which have carved a niche for themselves in
6th June 2026. Science must is a very dynamic, very